Hello, today I'm here to talk about browsing. Not browsing as in opening up Internet Explorer, Firefox, or Chrome, but Windows Explorer for your PC. In Windows 7, it's as simple as clicking this folder right here and it automatically brings it up. If you have Windows XP, then you right-click on my computer and in this list it'll say Explore. I'm in Windows 7, and so what I'm showing you is going to be slightly different from XP, but I'm sure that if you just go around in here that you'll figure it out pretty quick. A couple of things I want you to be aware of. One is looking at things in different ways. This is one of my drives, and right now it's on details, but say I wanted to look at it either in icons, tiles. It's really up to you and what you prefer. I like to look at it in details because then I can look at the different files by size. I can put them in alphabetical by clicking there, either ascending or descending. The date that it was modified, so if I want to see what was done last. The types, say you have a ton of files on there and you know that what you want is, say, a .doc. You can come in here and do it by type and it'll automatically put all of them together so you can find it a little easier. And then again, you can click by size and arranges it by size. What I see a lot of people doing, and the reason I want you to bring your attention to Windows Explorer, is some people, you'll open up another window and you'll start moving things around. End up with 7 or 8 windows open, lose track of what you're doing, and end up not getting everything you want and wondering what happened. So what I would want you to do is open up the Windows Explorer, and you can get to anywhere on your PC or the network from right here. If you're on the SD171 network, you will see your number right over here and you can save things to it. So say for instance this was my SD171 and it said Dtris at 171. So on and so forth. So I open that up, and if I want to move a file somewhere, if you just move it, see where it says that it's moving? If you move, then it actually takes it out of here. If you take and hold down the control, it copies. So if you hit control and then move, it copies. Without it, it moves. And so I wanted you to know the difference between those things. Another way you can do it is right click and do all your cutting, copying, and pasting right here. And in the last section on the PDF, you should have learned the Control C, Control V, Control A. Let's go over those just a second. You highlight something, Control A highlights all of them. Control C copies. And if I did Control V here, it would say, do you want a copy of all of them right here? I'm not going to do that because just waste time. But keyboard shortcuts, if you learn them, they will save you quite a bit of time. But this video was mainly to get you aware of Windows Explorer and being able to move things back and forth without having to open multiple windows. And that's it. Thanks.